Dynamic resurfacing pads. I'm loving these lately. I try to use them every single day. This is what it looks like. And when you pull them out, you might actually get like a clump of them. You don't want that many. You just want one. So make sure you just carefully grab one. It has two sides. It has kind of a rougher side and then a smoother side. I usually use the rougher side. That said, there's nothing actually rough about it. So it doesn't feel like irritating or anything. In fact, it's super, super soothing and really nice. So I put that on and just go around the whole face. Any dirt you may have on your face, it comes right off. This is by a brand called ELEMIS, and it's one of my favorite brands and just really nice when you're getting ready. So resurfacing, helping with some texture. I have some texture that I'm trying to work on my forehead that seems like drier than the rest of my skin. So I've been working on that. And then I use it down my neck as well. And you can even use it on your chest area. And then when you're done, you can just throw it away. And I usually let it kind of like soak up for a couple seconds. And I usually follow up with a really good moisturizing cream. I love this one. This is the Pro Collagen Marine Cream.